I'm gonna put this in a big pot of soup, and that soup we usually just freeze them and put in the container, and it's probably gonna take us 2 weeks to consume. But look at this, I like to have this fresh moringa all the time, and I still have so much. Hi guys, today I'm going to harvest some moringa. I am cooking a pot of soup and it's boiling right now, and all the ingredients is on that pot, and one missing is the moringa. So let's go ahead and harvest some. Oh, this is so fresh. I'm so lucky to have this moringa every year, year after year. They're so healthy, you guys. Oh wow, look at this. I might have to just harvest them all because it's almost cold, and during cold winter time they freeze, and so I don't want to waste them. So I'm probably gonna harvest them all tomorrow, and maybe one of this weekend before it gets too cold, and probably just blanch them and freeze them, you know, so I can have moringa throughout the years. Because I've got so much. I've got 14 trees, and only me and my husband are consuming them. Look at this. I've been harvesting this probably twice a week or twice a month. Now I just have so much of it, and I've already given so much. I shipped some to California to my aunt Norma, Mercy's mom, and I think I have enough. And I'm gonna go ahead and get some from the inside. It's so beautiful today. It feels like 80 degrees, warm, not cold yet. Look at this. I have this moringa here. Look at this moringa, very tall. I will harvest that tomorrow. And this one, all right. Thank you for watching, guys. Mwah.